Let us talk about the relationship in RDBMS, that is types of relationship in RDBMS. So there are actually four types of relationship. One is one to one. So let me make a notebook here. Types of relationship. First is one to one. Second is one to many, one to one relation. Second is one to many relation. Third is many to one relation. And the fourth one, or I can call this here only, it can be one to many or it can be many to one relationship. So what does it mean? So I'm going to explain you with a simple scenario again in my whiteboard. So let us imagine the same example like what we have taken here. So there were so many duplicate values here. So we have created a smaller tables here. So let me take the same table here. So here you have one fact table and here you have one dimension table. So this is regarding the course table. Okay, course table. Now let us see the columns which are inside this. So this is called as a fact table. Let me call this as a fact table. And if you see the course ID column, and if you look at the dim course, the course ID column, these two are matching. So I can create a relationship between these two. But when you look at the column and when you look at the records here, records means these values, there are so many repeated values here. You can see 100 is repeating so many times, 101 is also repeating so many times. But when you come to the dim course, 100 is not repeating at all, 101 is not at all repeating, 102 is also not repeating. So in this dim course table you have only one value, and whereas in your fact you have many values. So this relationship is considered as one to many. This relationship is considered as one to many. So let me write an example here. So here inside this table you have one two IDs only. In the fact table you have the IDs like this. You have IDs like 1 1 1 2. So here it might be 2 repeated anyways, but 1 is repeating. So 1 is having 3 times here. Here 1 is only one time and 2 is only one time. Here 2 might be one time or many times, doesn't care, but 1 is repeating, so that's why it is many and it is 1 to many. Now let us see how one to one relation means. Suppose you have a table here and you have an ID column here. Inside an ID column you have IDs 1 2 3, and you have one more table, and here also you have an ID column and you have the values like 1 2 3. There is no repeating between these two columns and two tables. There are no repeated values. Then this relationship is called as one to one. One to one. Similarly, if you have two tables and if you have an ID column, let me draw this. You have an ID column and here you have IDs like 1 1 2 2 2, and here also you have 1 1 2 2 3, something like that, where ones are repeated here also, ones are repeated here also. When you start to build a relationship, your relationship will be many to many. So many means it will be like a asterisk symbol. Okay, asterisk symbol, so that it has many values here. So this relationship is called as many to many. So you can understand this: one to one, one to many, or many to one, vice versa. And third is many to many relations. This was about the types of relationship, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.